Next, problem number 7 in exercise 12.1. Previous problems we discussed in last session, only two constraints we discussed, and maximum or minimum we find. Only maximum or minimum, any one of that one we find in that previous session. So now onwards you see the 7th problem number 7 here. Minimize Z, and maximize Z. Two values, minimum value and maximum value, you have to find of the Z value, and subject to two constraints. X plus 2y is less than or equal 20, x plus y is greater than or equal 60, x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 0. Three constraints and two non-negative constraints is there. Two non-negative constraints. So now same procedure we have to follow here. Solution. First point, conversion. So conversion purpose here, three inequalities convert into equations. X plus 2y is equal to 120. Another equation will become x plus y equal to 60. X minus 2y is equal to 0. So next one, we have to draw the boxes. So now here x, y, x, y, x, y. Next one, similar process here we have to continue. Put x equal to 0 in the equation. Put x equal to 0, 2y equal to 120. That means y equal to 60. Y equal to 0 substitute. X equal to 120 you will get. X equal to 120. Similarly, here also you have to find same to same. X equal to 0, y value is 60. Horizontal, no need to write horizontal. Vertical you have to write always. 0, here 60. If you are substituting x 0, y 0, y 0, x 0. So this one is a special case here. This you have to remember this one. Right side of the inequality, if 0 is there, that problem is special and very very important problem, that one. And three inequalities here, especially right side 0 is there, that one we have to concentrate, that leave it. Now continue this one. What are the points here? 0 comma 60 is the one point, 120 comma 0 is another point, 0 comma 60 is the one point, 60 comma 0 is another point. Here 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0. There is no need to write. Next one. Next what will write? Second point, scale. Scale we have to write x-axis. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to. Here you observe up to 120 numbers is there. Up to 120 is there. So I'll take each 1 centimeter I am taking as a 10 units. 10 units. Similar y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. 10 units. This one completed. Next is shading region. Shading region. Shading region we have to find here. So now take the first inequality. X plus 2y is less than or equal to 120. Put 0 comma 0 implies 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 120. True. Next inequality you take x plus y is greater than or equal to 60, put 0 comma 0 implies 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 60. False statement. This is false statement. And next one, that is a special case. You write here x plus 2y. X plus 2y greater than or equal to 0. What we are substituting, that secondary. We will see that last point, that one. Don't put 0 comma 0. If you are put 0 comma 0, you won't get the anything value. Why? Because you can see by the graph we can understand that one. So first of all, this point is O, 0 comma 0. This is x, this is y. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Next one, similar this side. On x-axis highest value is 120. Is there up to 120? We have to write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. 120. So now, first equation you have to take here. What is the first equation points here? Separate these are. First equation points is 0 to 60. X is 0, y is 60. So I'll take that one on y axis. This point is 0 comma 60. 0 comma 60 is the point. And 120 comma 0. 120 comma 0 means x value is 120, y value is 0. So that is the first on x-axis. This point is 120 comma 0. So now you join the 2 points by the line. This line equation, which line equation? That one, x plus 2y equal to 120. First condition is true towards 0 comma 0 or below the line. True means below the line. Simple manner we are discussing here. True means below the line. False means above the line. Why? Because we'll use this condition for third also. So below the line. Remember, direct below the line. Below the line you have to shade here. Next one, we have to take the second points here. 0 comma 60. X is 0, y is 60. Same point, that point 0 comma 60. I am not writing again. Next, 60 comma 0. X is 60, y is 0. X is 60, y is 0 on x-axis. So these points, 2 points, you join by the line. So this line equation, which line equation? That one, x plus y equal to 60. And the shading region, false is there. False is there means above the line. Above the line you have to make the shading. Above the line we did the shading. So now 2 completed, but third one still pending is there. This is a very important one. The point is here. Point is 0 comma 0. The line equation passing through this point, we know that one. Why? Because point is there. You have to draw the line from this one. Passing through origin, one straight line you have to draw. But if we are keeping scale, some change here. The intersection points will be changed. If you are taking some, while drawing the line, if you are keeping scale, some little change means the answer will be total change and total wrong you will get. So that purpose only, you have to take this equation as a 1, this equation as a 2, this equation as a 3. So roughly how to make, if you are drawing by the graph, proper graph, if you are taking scale position proper, if you are taking correct line, you will get it. But intersection points, first I'll find the intersection points. This is the perfect way you will get the answer. 1 and 3 I'll solve. Equation 1 and 3. Solving 1 and 3. I'm writing here 1 and 3 solving. X plus 2y equal to 120. X plus 2y equal to 120. X minus 2y equal to 0. Subtraction making, signs will be changed. X get cancelled. 4y equal to 120. 4y equal to 120. Y equal to 30. Y equal to 30 in this equation you substitute. X minus 60 equal to 0, x equal to 60. So 60 comma 30 is a point. 1 and 3 intersection. 1 means which line this one? 1 is the blue line and intersection point. Intersection point of 1 and 3 will become 30 comma 60. 30 comma 60, one point I am taking here. This for example, this one actually 50 getting. This is not proper diagram, so that's why 50 getting. 30 comma 60 you have to plot one point. This is a 30 comma 60. Next, the intersection point of the second equation and third equation you have to find. Same, solving 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. So how we will get, just subtraction will make same. X plus y equal to 60. X minus 2y equal to 0. Subtraction. Sorry. X get cancelled. 3y equal to 60. Y equal to 20. Y equal to 20 if you are substituting in third equation. X equal to 40 you will get. X equal to 40. X equal to 40 you will get. Sorry, here this point is, this intersection point is 60 comma 30. I wrote here 60 comma 30 comma 60. 60 comma 30 you will get that intersection point. This don't consider this points, just intersection points I am taking. Next one 40 comma 20. Here approximately this point is 40 comma 20. So now passing through this point and intersected that points. This is the third line equation. X minus 2y equal to 0. So this intersection points, if you know properly, that is easy to find. And this one don't consider. These are the we won't take the proper values here. If you are taking graph, perfect points you will get. So next one. Here, if you are substituting 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0 if you are substituting equal 0, that is true condition. True condition including 0 comma 0, we can't draw the graph here. You observe here, if you are how will shade? So we can't judge by that one. 0 comma 0 if we are taking, we can't judge. When right side equal, right side 0 is there, put 1 comma 0 other than the 0 comma 0, any 10 comma 0 you can substitute, any point we can substitute here. 1 comma 0 if you are substituting, 1 plus 0 is greater than or equal 0. 1 is greater than 0. True condition. True condition is there. You have to including that point. That point 1 comma 0 lies here. 1 comma 0. Including that point means below that line. A true condition is there below the line. False condition is there above the line. We have to draw here. So now, Common region. What is the common region here? Red color, blue color, and black color. Total common region. I'm writing. I'm shading with black this total. In first quadrant only first quadrant by non-negative constraint. This one is there, no? This one total. This total is the feasible region now. Feasible region. So now, what are the boundary points here? This is one boundary point, this is one boundary point, and this one. So I'll take this one as a this point. Actually, this point is 60, 0. A is the 60, 0 one point. This B is another point. This is C. This is D. So boundary points are corner points. This one only rough work. This one only rough work. You no need to write in the graph. If you are drawing proper line, no need to solve also. No need to solve. You have to keep the scale properly. When if you are drawing passing through the origin direct, if you are drawing also the intersection points will get. But checking verification purpose, the total we have to do. So next one here, our fourth point is. Fourth point is what is the fourth point here? The fourth point is the corner points of the feasible region. The corner points of feasible region are point A. A point is I am naming as a 60, 0. B point is 120, 0. C point is 60, 30. And last point D point is 40, 20. 40, 20. So this is the fourth point. Next, fifth point, optimal solution. Optimal solution. Corner points and Z equal to, what is the Z value here? Z value is 5x plus 10y. So now you have to substitute the corner points here. What are the corner points? Corner point A 60, 0. B is 120, 0. C point is 60, 30. Next D point is 40, 20. So now substitute here 60. 5 into 60 plus 0, you will get 0 into anything. So this one 5 3s are 60. 300 you will get. You substitute here Z equal to 5 into 120 plus 0, that is 600 you will get. Next one Z equal to 5 into 60 plus 10 into 30. 300 plus 300 is 600. Next last one Z equal to 5 into 40 plus 10 into 20. 200, that is 400 you will get. What is asking question is minimize and maximize. So minimum here, this value is minimum. These two values are maximum. Two values are maximum. So final conclusion I am writing here. Final conclusion. Therefore, the minimum value 300 at 60, 0 and maximum value 600 at 2 points, 120 comma 0 and 60 comma 30 at 2 points, 60 comma 30. This is the final last point, optimal solution. After the box you have to conclude that one. So now once again you see here three constraints is there, three constraints is there, and especially right side one constraint having 0 is there. That is a special case. That time you have to take here, don't write the shading region directly, 0 comma 0. If you are substituting you see here equal 0, true condition you will get, including 0 comma 0. How you will draw the shading region? We can't draw the graph that time, so that's why 1 comma 0 true is there, 1 point is here, so including true condition getting below the line, you have to draw the line. Next shading region you have to draw here. Next one you observe here, one more special here, what is the intersection points, straight line. If you are taking by the scale properly, if you are taking this one straight line, correct intersection points you will get. That intersection points checking purpose, you have to take solve the 1 and 3, 2 and 3. That rough work you can make, a perfect answer you will get. So this is the way of finding the minimum and maximum, two values here. Previous problems only single value we find here, but now this is a two ways, maximum and minimum values we have to find here. Pause the video to. Now see similar problems here, two problems, similar problem, previous exercise 7th problem, similar problems here. Once I wrote here the two questions, these two take as a homework, but just hints I'll give for this problems. Problem number 8, minimize and maximize, same both values we have to find, minimum value and maximum value. Subject to constraints here, greater than or equal to 100, x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 100, that is no problem. Next, 2x plus y is less than or equal to 200, no problem, previous we discussed. But this one, 2x minus y is less than or equal to 0 is there here, 0 is there, that is a special case. Shading region purpose you have to substitute 1 comma 0 and the line passing through the origin, substitute here x equals 0, y equals 0 you will get, y equals 0 substitute, x equals 0 you will get. So it is passing through the origin, but draw the line properly. Otherwise, solve the 1 and 2 equation, 2 and 3 equation, plot the intersection points on the lines, then passing to the origin and passing to the 2 points. You are finding the 2 points, you draw the straight line. So already previous problem I discussed, that method you can solve this problem. This one take as a homework. And next one, minimize and maximize z equal to minimum value and maximum value. This is example number 3. Example number 3. Subject to constraints, x plus 3y is less than or equal 60. No problem. Right side 60 number is there. X plus y is greater than or equal to 10. That is also no problem. 10 number is there. This one, third condition, x is less than or equal to y is given. Sir, what is the problem? Right side y is there. Actually, we have to take this one as a x minus y is less than or equal to 0. If we are sending y this side, sometimes they will give in question this one or that one, anyone. X is less than or equal to y. If we are taking y, send left side, x minus y is less than or equal to 0. And these are the non-negative constraints. These two are the non-negative constraints. Non-negative constraints means only our feasible region lies in first quadrant. So this one also take as a homework. These two no problem, but this one you have to concentrate and passing through the origin, solve the 1 and 3, 2 and 3 equation, intersection points, draw the line proper, and shading region purpose substitute 1 comma 0. Substitute 1 comma 0 above the line or below the line. So corner points you have to take proper and do as a homework this one also. So pause the video to note it down. Next, Exercise 12.1, problem number 9. Maximize z equal to minus x plus 2y. Subject to constraints, x is greater than or equal 3, x plus y is greater than or equal 5, x plus 2y is greater than or equal 6, y is greater than or equal to 0. Constraints they given, 3 constraints. Solution, first part, conversion. What we have to make the conversion here? Inequations convert into equations. X plus y equal to 5, x plus 2y is equal to 6. This is non-negative constraint, no problem that one. Draw the boxes. So this is direct line equation, no need to draw any box. X equal to 3, passing through 3 parallel to y axis. No need to write anything here. So next here, x, y. Substitute x equal to 0, y equal to how much you will get 5. Y equal to 0, substitute x equal to 5 you will get. Next, similarly, x equal to 0, 2y equal to 6, y equal to 3, y equal to 0, x equal to 6. So now the points are 0, 5, 5, 0, 0, 3, 6, 0. So now scale you have to write here. Second point, scale. X-axis scale is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit I am taking. Why? Because very small numbers is there, so direct 1 unit I am taking. Y-axis also same to same. Next one, third point. Our third point is shading region. Shading region. So that purpose, shading region purpose here, you have to take the first inequality, x is greater than or equal to 0, put 0, 0, implies 0 is greater than or equal to 3. False statement, statement is false. Excluding 0, 0, you have to shade. First one completed. Next one, x plus y is greater than or equal to 5, put 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 5. Statement is false. So excluding 0, 0, you have to make the shading here. Next one, x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 6, put 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 6. That is also false statement. Statement is false. So excluding 0, 0, you have to shade the region. So now you see the graph here. 0, 0. This is x-axis, y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you take the first equation. First equation, x equal to 3. X equal to 3 means this total line x equal to 3 only. X equal to 3, passing through 3 point parallel to y-axis you have to draw. That is x equal to 3 line. Next here, second equation, first shading will complete, excluding 0, 0, false is there, excluding. So shading region excluding 0, 0, you have to shade. Next one, second point, 0, 5. 0, 5, 5, 0, join the 2 points by the line. X plus y equal to 5 line, that one. Shading region, false statement is there, excluding 0, 0. Above the line you have to shade. Next one, x is greater than or equal to, x plus 2y equal 6 points is 0, 3. 0, 3 and 6, 0. 6, 0 is this point, 6, 0. So now you join the 2 points by the line. Shading region, this line equation we have to mention here, x plus 2y equal to 6. Shading region above the line. So now you can see the common region, blue, black, red lines where it is there. If you are extend this one also, continuous you will get. So shading region, common region from here to and this line also upside of this line, point and up to here, and y is greater than or equal 0, continuation. So this is the boundary line. Boundary line. These 3 points are the corner points. The 3 points are the corner points. This total is the feasible region. Feasible region. So now we have to make here find the points. By the graph you can find the points, this point and this point. So I doesn't have the proper graph here, so that's why I'll solve the two equations. Which equations you have to solve? This equation and this red line equation. These two, if you are solving, this point you will get. So that taking as a equation 2, equation 3 and equation 1. Solving 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. X plus y equal to 5 and x plus 2y equal to 6. Subtraction you have to make here. Cancel. Minus y equal to minus 1. Y equal to 1. Substitute in second equation. X plus 1 equal to 5. X equal to 4. 4 comma 1 is the point. So this intersection point is 4 comma 1. Next point is this point we have to find. That point is nothing but this red line and blue line intersection point. Red line, blue line means first equation and second equation solve. First and second equation if you are solving, x value is 3, substitute there direct, y equal to 2 you will get. 3 comma 2 is this point. This point is 3 comma 2. Naming as a B, naming as a B, C. This point we know already. This point is 6 comma 0. You have the proper graph, so that's why you will get the direct points. No need to write including in this graph. Otherwise you can do the rough work this one. No problem. No need to copy. Just by the graph also you can continue this one. So now corner points. Fourth point. The corner points of feasible region are point A 3 comma 2, point B 4 comma 1, point C 6 comma 1. So now you have to our fifth step, optimal solution. Optimal solution. Corner points z equal to minus x plus 2y, minus x plus 2y. So now you simplify this one. What are the corner points? Point A is 3 comma 2, point B is 4 comma 1, point C is 6 comma 0. Substitute all in z place, z x and y places. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Z equal to minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Z equal to minus 6 plus 0 equal to minus 6. The question is maximize value, only the maximum value. What is the maximum value here? 1 is the maximum. 1 is a maximum. Unbounded feasible region, this is a unbounded feasible region is a minimum values, it will continue so on. Why? Because if you are taking any point in feasible region, minimum values will get. Here we can't find the minimum value, just is asking question also maximum. So maximum value is 1. So the final conclusion, the maximum value of z is 1 at the point 3 comma 2. At the point 3 comma 2. So this is the way of finding the graph. Pause the video to note it down. Now 10th problem in exercise. Maximize z equal to x plus y. Subject to constraints x minus y is less than or equal to minus 1, minus x plus y is less than or equal to 0. First our point is conversion. Conversion. So take the conversion here. X minus y equal to minus 1. Minus x plus y equal to 0. Draw the two boxes. So now take x here, y, x, y. Next one, 0 substitute. X equal to 0, minus y minus 1, that is nothing but 1 you will get. If we are substituting y is 0, x is minus 1 you will get. If we are substituting x is 0, y is 0, y is 0, x is 0. Right side equal 0 is there, that you have to concentrate. Right side equal 0 is there. So next one, number 2, scale. Before writing the scale, you have to take the points properly. 0, 1 is a 1 point, minus 1, 0 is 1 point, 0, 0 is the point. Next one, scale. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit I am taking. Why? Because very small values here. Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Next, third point, shading regions. Shading region. Shading region purpose, you have to take the inequality. X plus y is less than or equal to minus 1. Put, sorry, x minus y is less than or equal to 1. Put 0, 0, 0. Minus 0 is less than or equal to minus 1. 0 if we are substituting, 0 is less than or equal to minus 1. 0 is a greater than or equal to minus 1 actually. So statement is false. Statement is false. Next one, minus x plus y is less than or equal to 0 is there. When 0 is there, put 1, 0. Minus 1 plus 0 is less than or equal to 0. Minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Statement is true. Statement is true. So now you draw the graph here. So now you see here, minus 1 also there. So that's why you draw some graph extension here. This point is 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. X-axis, y-axis, negative y-axis, negative x-axis. So now, first point 0, 1. X is 0, y is 1. So this is 0, 1. Minus 1, 0. This point is minus 1, 0. So now you join the lines. It will continue. So this is the first equation. False statement is there 0, 0. Excluding the 0, 0, you have to make the shading above the line. Next point, next one 0, 0. Passing through 0, 0. Passing through 0, 0. If we are solve these two equations, you observe 0, 0. Solve the two equations. If you are solving, total will be 0. There is no common point between the two lines. There is no intersection points. So straight line passing through origin. Straight line passing through origin you have to draw. 1, 1 is 1, 2, 2 is 2, 3, 3 is 3. Because you substitute here any point. X is 1 substitute, y is also 1, x is 2, y is 2. So common points, proper straight line you have to draw. This line equation is minus x plus y equal to 0. True statement 1, 0 if we are substituting, true getting true 1, 0 is here. So including 1, 0 you have to shade the region. What is the common points, common region? Feasible region means common region bounded by the all constraints. Any common region is there? Here you have to conclude here there is no feasible region. Feasible region. There is no feasible region. Therefore, no maximum. There is no maximum value. There is no feasible region, so that's why there is no maximum value. So, this is a problem number 10 in exercise 12.1. Pause the video to note it. Example 5. Previously we discussed exercise problem number 10. There is no common region, so that's why there is no maximum or minimum values. Similar problem, this one also. Minimize Z, minimum value how to find. The two constraints are given. These two are non-negative constraints. This problem similar to the problem number 10 in exercise. There is no common region. Here also there is no common region between the two constraints. You can solve this problem. Take as a homework this one. And fourth example. Example 4 this one. This one is example 5. Minimize Z. Minimize Z. Minimum value we have to find. Subject to constraints. Three constraints they given. Right side zeros also not there. Right side zeros also not there. So this is easy to find the problem. Unbounded feasible region you will get. Unbounded feasible region problems also we discussed. So what is the minimum value, and that is non-negative constraints. Non-negative constraints. Previously we discussed lot of problems, similar problems. But here zeros not there. Direct this one. Zeros is their problem. It is passing to the origin. You have to solve this 2 equations. But here zeros not there. Direct this one take as a homework. So pause the video to note it down.